I just got this rechargeable LED flashlight from Amazon, which is supposed to be super bright. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'll tell you more about it as we go along. So here's the side of the box. It's a few warnings and email on the website, and some more manufacturer information and the address. Nothing too much. And on this side it says super bright. It has 4 modes, a zoomable design, which is something new, USB rechargeable, and drop resistant, which is sweet. Actually, both these features are amazing, which actually got me to purchase this in the first place. The fact that I don't have to put any batteries in it primarily, and being drop resistant is definitely a plus. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Okay, so here's the flashlight itself, and we can put that to the side for now. The USB cable, and this looks like a user manual. Nothing else in the box. We'll put the USB cable to the side, and yes, it's a user guide. Tell you about the light indicator when you're charging it, or how to use the different modes on the flashlight, but I think we can figure that out on our own. So this is the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and it's built quite well comparing to certain Amazon products that I've gotten in the past. This is certainly built better than most of them, and yeah, nothing special. And here's the flashlight itself. And I gotta say, first impressions in the hand, it's very sturdy. It's built out of this metal-like material. I think they said it's an aluminum alloy. Yeah, I'm loving it. It just feels like a premium product in your hand, and very uniform and feels sturdy to the touch. This is, I think, where you're gonna plug in to charge the device, USB-C slot. So yeah, it's beautiful, the fact that I don't have to put in any batteries and I can just charge this whenever I want. So the Amazon listing for this thing says that it's super bright with a built-in battery of 1800 milliamperes, which is pretty sweet considering this can work up to 16 hours in normal use, and I don't know what normal use means in this scenario. So yeah, you can charge this flashlight directly via the included USB cable. So here's the flashlight on with my room lights also on. These are the 4 modes. This is the second one, seems like fast flashing and then slower flashing, and that's it. Yeah, so this is how you zoom in. You magnify the light to point it in a certain direction, and yeah, I think this feature can really come in handy, especially when you're doing work around the house. I can think of 1,000 scenarios where I've needed a very specifically pointed flashlight. This would be amazing. And yeah, you can have all those modes in the zoomable feature. And yeah, I think I really like it. I'm actually impressed with how it feels in the hand. And the flashlight shell is made of high quality aluminum alloy with excellent hardness, wear resistance, and drop resistance. And it also has a lanyard, so you can put it around your wrist so it doesn't drop. But even if it does, we have drop resistance. So they really thought about everything. And just a quick light test one more time before we go into the dark test. And yeah, I love it. I think it's a very good design. And here's the flashlight next to my palm for size comparison. And yeah, that is it. Let's go ahead and test this thing out in total darkness. So here is my room with LED lights on, and look at that. Wow. It's a lot better than I expected. It almost seems like there's a light source in my room that is lighting up my entire space. Okay, here's the fourth mode. Just slower flashing and off. And on again. Let's try the zooming feature. Right there. Look at how focused this light is. The camera actually doesn't do justice to how focused it is and how clear it makes the object that you're pointing it at. And you can zoom out again. And yeah, the lights are on now. And this is my room. And there you have it, fellas. It was my review for the Blukar LED rechargeable flashlight. I hope you liked it. If you thought this was helpful in any way, do leave a like and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me out a lot. And do let me know down in the comments if you want to see me try it outdoors at night. Yeah, if that's something you want to see, I can definitely make a video about that as well. Thank you so much, guys.